Good bowl turning starts with making the perfect tenon. Everybody knows. So how do I get a perfect tenon? It starts with measuring, and therefore I got a unique device. So I made it round quickly, and now it is time already to make the tenon, the perfect tenon. And what I said, I made a unique device to do that. This part goes over my one-way live sensor. And then you see 3 little nails. These are jaws number 2, these are jaws number 3, these are jaws number 4. And this now is the one-way stronghold with jaws number 3. So what I do, and now you see I've scratched 3 lines. Number 2 jaws, number 3 jaws, number 4 jaws. This here is the number 3 jaws, dovetail jaws number 3. So I'm going to make my tenon over there. There we go. So if I've done everything right, now I've made the perfect tenon. Let's see. And there you see the perfect tenon. There's 4 things important when you talk about a perfect tenon. The first thing, of course, is the size of the tenon. The size should be the same diameter as the jaws when they make a perfect circle. The other thing is that the bottom of your tenon should not be on the bottom of your jaws. And another thing, number 3, the corner over here should be the corner over here. And then last but not least, there should be wood on top of the jaws. So this needs to be perpendicular, this part needs to be perpendicular to the spindle of the lathe. Remember these 4 things when you make your tenon. But at least the size now we know is good thanks to the measuring device. Perfect.
Perfect?